Hello, this is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. Today I've got another tutorial on counterclockwise tensioning and picking of a Medeco original. In the first installment, part one, I did a top-down view to show how to set those or rotate those Medeco key pins. And I'll try to go ahead and just pick it this time with everything in there. All right, so just kind of scrubbing up. And I'm going to start with a Moki pointed pick. I like to use something pointed, and I'm going to use just barely touching tension wise and just kind of run over the pins lightly. And sometimes you can actually get rotation to occur just by doing that. All right, so now I'm going to tighten up a little bit. And looking at one, feeling okay. Two. I don't think two's right because it doesn't feel right and doesn't sound right. So it's a little better. If I let up on tension, grab the back side of the pin on the left, pull it towards me. All right, it sounds better. 1 and 2 are okay. 3 is okay. 4 is not okay. Same thing. Let up. Twist the pick. Slight pull. If it doesn't work, go to the right side and push. And I know the orientation of these pins, so you just have to know which. If it's not working, just reverse the order and you'll get it. Okay. Still doesn't sound right. So letting off all that tension. Better. 5. Pulling towards me. Okay. And how about 6? I think 6 is... Oh, 6 is neutral. So let up tension and just kind of twist back and forth on the back side of the pin. Still doesn't sound right. Okay. Switch picks now. I'm going to pick up a Jimmy Long's Gem. Go to the back. That number 6 just doesn't sound right. So let me push on it. That's better. Okay. I'm looking for a binder. That's 3. That's the highest lift there is in this bitting. 1, got a little click out of that. 2 sounds good. 4, little click. 5, nothing. 6 came up a little bit. I felt a little bit of give counterclockwise. That's good. There we go. There's some more. That's what I'm looking for. And now I can probably pick the shear. So let me see. 1 feels good. 2. I'm not sure about 2. I think 2 is not rotated right. Okay. Switch back to the pointy pick. Let up on the tension. Grab the back of left side of 2. Go to the right side and push. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. All right, let's try this again. Number 3 is the high lift. It's got a mushroom T-pin in it. That's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, big click over. Now the sidebar is engaged and I just need to pick the shear. So number 3 is the one with the T-pin in it. See if we can do this without dropping everything. There it is. So I just think this is a pretty effective way to pick doing the counterclockwise. And let's see if we can get it real quick. Okay. Now, let me see if I can do this again without... I filmed this one other time and I messed this part up and I cussed, so I decided to redo it. Oh, I did it again, but I didn't cuss. All right. There's the sidebar. Oh, my God. We know that's got to be 5. Okay, so let's a close up of the core real quick. 1, 2, 3. 3 of the 6 have like a spool section in there. And you can see that prominent true gate, damn, right there. And they all have false gates. It's really going to be hard for you to see it. I wonder if I can do this. It makes it easier. There we go. All right. And as far as the drivers, they're all standard except for the 3rd one. So I'll drop these real quick. Okay, here's the mushroom T-pin. And it's not really that bad, to tell you the truth. If it was full of them, like all 6 chambers, it would be a little more challenging. But with this bitting, it wouldn't do much good anyway because so many of them are very low. And the challenge of that is that you can overset real easily. So here's that. You can see that sidebar groove there. All right. If I can get a little closer. So that's the Medeco original, counterclockwise. And If you have any questions, please, let me know. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.